Hello and welcome to another session of Excel tutorial. Today we will look at creation of charts in Excel. Before we begin, let's go through the data that we shall associate to the chart. If you look here, we have rows of products and columns of monthly sales. Just put over here sales of month. All right, and these are the totals. Okay, to review the formulas, show formula, and you should see that over here is randomly generated values. Okay, it's fine, no problem. We can make those values static later. But let's just have a look here. Sum of this column, and so on. And over here, sum of the row, right? And we would like to generate a chart based on this table, this sales table. So how do we do this? First, let's go into the Insert tab and let's head on to Charts. I'd like to insert chart, bar chart, this one. Okay, and immediately you can see some of these values are being intelligently populated. Well, we don't want Excel to do that. Okay, we want to define from a fresh piece of chart. So you have to move that selected box away from any numbers. Otherwise, Excel is too smart. Let's put over here, and the charts, create a blank chart. All right. So once you have created this blank chart, you can see chart tools appear. All right. So I would like to attach data, feed data into this chart. How do we do this? We'll go into chart tools, which appears after you've created the chart, and you come into design, this one, right? And then select data. So once you click on select data, this dialog will pop out, and you're going to add a series of data. Assume that we want this the sales, the total of sales according to products. So let's just give this series a name. Remember, come over here, select data source, come to add series. So give this series a name. So sales by product, and the name, series value, select this. Okay, and you press OK. All right, let's just take these values as is. You can see over here the title of this series is called Sales by Product, which is the one we keyed in just now. And all these bars, they are the values that we have selected over here. Okay, but we want to further fill in this x-axis with values of this column, product 1, 2, 3, 4. So come again to select data. All right. Just now we have edited this. Of course, you can remove, you can add more columns in. That's fine. Okay, let's just assume that we want to add another column in. Perhaps we'll do this later. Okay, we'll do this later. First of all, let's just try to edit the data from the horizontal axis. These are the labels. Edit. I want this column to display. Yes. Okay, so that is what we have. That's what we wanted. Next, assume that apart from the total, Okay, apart from the total, we want to have the March sales. Let's add another one. This is March sales. And I'm going to select from here. Another column pops up. All right. This, again, let's edit. It should be axis label range. Again, the same one. There you go. So we've already have a nicely formatted, formatted by default chart, bar chart. All right. Let's just end this tutorial video over here. Next, after this, we shall go in and try and attempt to edit features of this chart. Okay. So I'll see you.